In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top of it. If you can't see it, tap on this gear one instead. Select the voice typing and click on the grey switcher next to it to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on Now Visible Microphone. If you never used it before, tap on while using the app in the pop-up, and after seeing Speak Now command, start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!